Here we are in Mom's villa in the kitchen. And as you know, if you've been following along with us, this is the original kitchen from the White Elephant. When Mom came for the first time to see it, she fell completely in love with this kitchen. It's her dream kitchen. So when we were getting the villa, we were so excited to be able to plan this out and to transfer these cabinets to her house. So we have 4 different rooms that we're using the cabinets in. So first, I'll take you over here, and this is going into the laundry room, but this is also going to be kind of a butler's pantry for her. So just a big extension of the kitchen, beautiful glass cabinetry, we'll have under cabinet lighting. It'll be a great storage and service area for her to use. And then coming into the kitchen, we'll have the refrigerator here, and then Mom's favorite part is the hood. So these beautiful corbels were right up her alley. She loves that French country look, so this fit right in with that. This hood was about a foot taller because our kitchen ceilings are 9 feet in the White Elephant and these are 8. So we actually had to trim about a foot off of these cabinets to make it fit, and it's perfect. We will add a little trim to just bring it right up to the ceiling to make it perfect, but it's really an easy way to modify a cabinet and to get a stock trim to put on the top, and then it looks completely custom, so it's fabulous. So over here, she's gonna have an extended countertop here where she'll have counter seating. This is the family room side, so more casual dining. And then as you'll notice here, there's more cabinetry. So we're also able to use this in her living room area. But before we go there, let me just show you one more thing. Over on this wall, we have where she'll have her double ovens and microwave. And then we do have kind of an odd fit. So this is one cabinet that we will be modifying. You'll see when we're finished what this looks like, but this will function a little better than this right now. It's one of our trouble spots. So, but the kitchen is nice and open to the living room and dining room area. And over on this side, she's gonna have a dining room table, and then the bar area will be here. So it'll be along this wall, great entertaining space. She'll have some nice comfy chairs for lounging and entertaining. And then where her dining table will go, these cabinets will actually be repurposed into her office. So this will be her desk. We'll have a beautiful countertop on top. She'll have great surface and lots of storage. So cabinets used in 4 different rooms in the home. So we're really excited.